Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Sorry it's a little noisy because there's a freeway right there. And guess what, Abey? We're playing Cassey and Abey again. So yeah, Chloe and Cassey and Abey, CC and Summer show. I can't believe it's raining. Let's go in the rain. Oh, it's actually sprinkling, but
Hey, look.
what?
Look.
What, Abey?
Over there.
Is that a mud puddle?
No, it's our map that we made last time. It's filling up with water.
Ah! Rain, rain! Let's go over here. Ah! What the heck?
Hi, Sika. Hi, Sarah.
What the heck? Let's go. Come on, hurry.
Hi, Sarah.
Run! Come on. Whoa! And it's all muddy here.
Sarah's over there, Sarah.
Why did you call her Sarah?
What?
Her name is Sarah.
I'm gonna go back to Sarah.
What the?
Snack and Sarah. Hey, this is wet.
Abey, stop touching the camera. Stop blurring you. Okay. I really want to go on the hoverboard that I made. Right there. Right there. Ugh. I'm just gonna go in the rain. Come on. It's raining. Go on my hoverboard. Woohoo! Woohoo! And spin. Woo! Okay. Come on.
How about we get the chocolate?
I don't know.
And the chocolate.
Okay, you guys, it's actually pretty rainy, so we're just gonna end the video right here. I know it was short, but we just wanted to show you the rain. So thanks for watching, guys. What are you doing? Whatever. Bye, guys.